Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 26th of April. And first of all, national news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off Vande Bharat Express in Thiruvananthapuram. NIA conducted raids at multiple locations in 4 states against PFI cadres. Supreme Court issued notice to Delhi government on play of 7 women wrestlers. Doors of Kedarnath Dham opened to pilgrims. India planned to open logistics hub for Indian companies in Panama, EAM Jaishankar. Operation Kaveri, first batch of stranded Indians leaves Sudan in naval ship. China's defense minister to hold bilateral with Rajnath Singh on Thursday. Want to crack UPSC? UP Board Class 12th topper Shubh Chhapra said. Now, international news. Let's finish this job. Biden made 2024 presidential run official. Huge biological risk. WHO warned after Sudan fighters occupy health law. Pakistan Army chief in China to strengthen defense ties. China broke silence over status of stationary Mars rover Zhurong. And Peruvian archaeologists found adolescent mummy wrapped in bundle. Risk of nuclear escalation with the US growing, Russia warned amid Ukraine war. Sudan's warring generals agree to 72-hour ceasefire amid foreigners' exodus. Now, sports news. Tony Nadal optimistic over Rafael Nadal's French Open participation. Top Indian stars including PV Sindhu eye good show at the Asia Championships. Sri Lanka versus Ireland. Second test day 2. Record Ireland test score as Paul Sterling. Curtis Camphor hit centuries in Sri Lanka. No vice captain named in India's World Test Championship final squad. Internet starts speculation. Ajinkya Rahane could be considered for WTC final owing to IPL form, BCCI sources. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty closed on higher note for second straight session. Power shared rise. Rupee closed on flat note at 81.92 against US dollar. Have to look at long-term good of Indian consumer. Piyush Goyal on predatory pricing. India needs to be vigilant against EI, Nino conditions, higher prices, ministry. Nestle India's March quarter net profit grew 24.7% to rupees 736.64 crore. Serum Institute to double investment in Biocon's unit to $300 million. News from Science and Technology. Mobile 3D printer to produce thumbnail-sized MR and COVID vaccine patches developed by scientists. SpaceX gained approval to set up 5th US rocket launch site at Vandenberg Space Force Base. Researchers discovered massive 900 feet deep blue hole in Mexico. And that's all in news. Thank you.